good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that I'm actually already in Broward, and I am picking up my turbo kit. Yes, you heard correctly. Turbo kit, full race, sidewinder, precision. God damn it, I passed a turn. Full race, sidewinder, precision 62, 66. So just got to the homie Fat Mike shop from PYC Automotive. About to go up in there now and pick up my kit. There we go, back at Fat Mike's shop. Mike, all the OGs know him by Fat Mike, PYC Automotive. See, you got a couple of builds here going on. Lava, you see me? Nothing but old shit, bro. I got the shirts in the whip, bro. Damn, bro, how my shit gonna look? And y'all already know the four-wheel drive EK. It seems like it's never gonna touch the road. Anyways, let me get the kit out and show you guys what's going on. Alright, so what we got here is turbo galleyfold. Take this off the screen. Turbo galleyfold, T3, T4, full race. A bit heavy, bro. I'm gonna have to get some titanium bolts. Tial, I think is a 44 mil. V-band, dump tube, brand new precision 62, 66. Not those over there. Got turbos for days. But let's get this out of the box. God damn. Brand new precision. That bit kind of heavy though, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a turbo and galleyfold is getting into the piping. Tubing, fire up in your piping talk, lava. Bro, peep the drip on them. Peep the drip on them.
Lava.
Ooh.
No fisherman.
Hey, bro, you see, I care about the big guys, man. You know what I mean?
That's right.
Ain't no medium, large, 2, 3X,
Lava.
You gotta feel comfortable in your skin. Oh, man, that drip. That drip, bro. Tell them about the quality of the shirt, bro. How it feels, bro.
Feels alright, I ain't gonna lie. And I'm picking these up too.
You feel me? But anyway, back to the main thing. Oh, shit, I forgot to show y'all. But this is the intercooler. Full race. Intercooler. This is the intercooler piping. I do have to get a blow-off valve. But else from that, the only thing I would need is the drain, the feed, and the blow-off valve. Else from that, pretty much complete.
So it's recording right now?
Yeah.
See a fisherman, a teeth something, huh? Always looking for something, this motherfucker here, huh? Yeah. Do stock shit too, No. K-Series what? Maybe a 24. Hold on.
I'm just trying to find a new long block just to throw it in.
I'll check and then I'll hit y'all right back.
I appreciate it. If anything, just let Jordan know.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Am I putting all of this in the video? Nigga, don't get that raggedy ass shit. Hey,
See the bumper, right?
make sure you get that dent.
Yeah. Sticky. Watch out for sticky. Yeah, fish him on.
Ain't even that bad. I thought it was worse.
I popped it out. That's why. I just put the painted black bumper on there. I flat blacked it. Show y'all. Show that wire wear.
Oh, that big thing.
Don't let my coils get wet.
All right, so back home, made it back safe and sound, no problems. This is the full race turbo kit. Sidewinder, tial, I think that's a 50 mil or 60, I don't know, I'm gonna have to check. But full race T3, T4. Over here is the downpipe, 3-inch V-band. Intercooler tubing. I gotta change that right there. Full race intercooler. And the turbo. Let me take this out of the box. That's pretty. 62, 66. Journal. Can't afford that ball bearing money yet. But yeah, man. V-band. I just need to get the drain and the feed. I'm gonna send out the back housing and turbo galifold to get what's that thing called? Ceramic coated for the heat. So I'm probably gonna do this black, maybe this like a silver or black. I don't know yet, but see what I'm gonna do. Oh, that bit pretty though. Man, I can already see it. I can already see it. Hopefully, I don't think this is gonna be in the way, but it shouldn't. I don't know if I'm gonna use that tubing there. I might get some custom shit made, probably some titanium. I mean, it depends on how much it costs me. But yeah, Now for the intercooler and the tuck radiator, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet. I may have to, let me see. I may have to cut off like maybe 2 inches off of the hose, the top and the bottom, bring the radiator more in towards the motor so I can have room to fit the intercooler. Cause that's about what? Let's say what? About 2.5 inches. And I refuse to cut my grill. I'm not gonna cut my grill, nah. So if I could bring, because the radiator sits, just right here. The radiator sits on the lower radiator support. So if I could bring it out, maybe weld like 2 brackets, get a bracket here to come out and there to come out, because I got plenty of room. I got plenty of room right there. I don't know what I did with my tape measure. So let me see. So I got about, I'm gonna say, yeah. So I should have enough. But this is 3 inch. So if I could bring this out, if I could bring the radiator out 3 inches, yeah, I should clear. Yeah, it should be straight. To bring the radiator in and put the intercooler up. So probably next week I'll take off the headers, drop the oil pan, bring that to the homie at Keem from Keem Fab, have him drill and put a bung there. Order the drain and the feed. Luckily, I don't have a light. I will show you guys, but on my oil presser, you know what? Let me grab a light. All right, so if you guys could see, I don't know if you can see though, but damn. Maybe I go from this side. Yeah, if you look at my oil pressure thing, it's one of those K-tunes. Damn, bro. Ain't no way to put the camera in there to show y'all, man. Yeah, man, there's no way for me to show you guys. It's just too dark. But it's one of those K-tune oil pressure things. Your OEM gauge go on the end of it, and then you have like 2 or 3 -4s or whatever you can take out and like put stuff towards it. So that's where my AEM oil pressure gauge is on now. And I'm gonna take out one of the block offs and run the feed from here to the turbo over here. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of those nylon hose, like fittings or whatever. Get rid of these. Same thing for the turbo. I don't know if I'm gonna have to do a 90 coming off, but this would be the next project for the car, is a turbo kit. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in on this little coupe update. I know the video wasn't really all that, just me showing you guys me getting me a kit. That's about it. Website for the merch is down below. I'll even leave it on the bottom of the screen right here. Make sure you guys cop some of that, like and subscribe. That's pretty much it. God bless everybody. Until next time, gone here. Guidance, peace, love and respect. Here, gone.